Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have SUCHOMIMUS. So I apologize that I haven't logged in a while. It's been a while, it's been 2 weeks I believe, but yep, we're back. So what we have here is from the original Jurassic World SUCHOMIMUS. This one has a bite attack. It only has one feature right here. It has a striking attack. This is the very first, it came from the original timeline, Jurassic World. There's this DNA scan. This is the very first SUCHOMIMUS that came out. Alright. And our second SUCHOMIMUS is from Dino Rivals. It has improved quite a bit. It has two features now. It's a strike attack. It's not that good anymore. It's really old. And the second one is the tail strike. You push it, it has a tail strike right there. The blue one doesn't have doesn't have a tail attack. Here's the DNA scan. Alright, these two are pretty much the same, just a different paint job except for the features. Yeah. It's different features. It's not that I guess it's not that good anymore. It doesn't even open that wide anymore. The mouth doesn't open it wide. But anyways, I brought these two out because we have the new gigantic tracker Chaos Theory SUCHOMIMUS. It has a lot of improvements. But of course, since it's a gigantic tracker, it doesn't have a sound. There's no sound symbol. Alright, let's open it up. Most of the gigantic trackers from Mattel doesn't have a sound, guys. Alright, like the Elasmosaurus from Dino Trackers, the Epic Evolution Triceratops, and the Sinotyrannus, they don't have any sounds. And also the Stegosaurus, all the Stegosaurus doesn't have any sound yet. But yeah, so here's the DNA scan for this newbie. It has some nice scars in it. Look at that right there in the tail as well. Beautiful. Right on its jaw as well. You can see all the scars right there. Alright, let's check the back. Okay, we already have the Stegosaurus. This is our last video back then. So it has an all around trump, it says. Total trashing action. It has the T-Rex symbol right there. Alright, so let's unbox it. Let's check it out. And we will compare it to its predecessors. Alright, nice. Let's put aside. Alright, so wow, it has a big chunk over there. Good damage. Nice. There you have, wow, it even has scratches down there. You must have stepped on something, but anyways, look at that, battle scars. Wait, how do you do this? Oh, there you go. So you turn it left and right. It has a jumping. Look at that. It's biting, and you pull it up. It goes. If you pull it down, the head goes up. See, it still bites. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna compare to the original SUCHOMIMUS. Okay, same body, but of course it lost its whatever you call this thing, this mini sail. It doesn't have sail here anymore as well. The head is gone. It has I would say a narrower head now. Look at the snout. The snout is also different. A lot of battle scars right there. Look at that. All the scars on that snout. So yeah. That's cool. Most of the Chaos Theory action figures are all like this now. You pull it up, it bites. Pull it down, it still bites like that. But at least they didn't add a sound on it. So there's another SUCHOMIMUS coming that comes with a Gallimimus and an egg. Yeah, so I'm still waiting for that. It'll look like this, but a little smaller, I believe. Alright, so let's compare the Dino Rivals now. Should be the same body type. Yeah, the head will be different though. The snout is different. The neck, but the body's the same. The arms are a little smaller now. Yeah, so the arms are bigger for this guy, the original, the Dino Rival. This one has smaller arms. It's made of rubber. It's soft. Look at that. It's not plastic. I see. There you go. Alright guys. So that's pretty much it for today. The next video will be on Christmas Eve. That's going to be in 2 days. And guess what? It's going to be an Apex. I have 2 Apex coming. An Apex Hybrid. Okay guys. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. Yeah. Alright, guys. Before I say bye for now, don't forget to click the like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. You guys have a great weekend now. I'll see you guys Christmas Eve, okay? Happy holidays, guys. Bye for now. Thank you again.